If you've ever opened MailerLite to write an email and thought, I don't need all these features, I just want to write an email, then this one's for you. The simple editor is exactly what it sounds like. It's a clean, fast, keyboard-friendly builder designed to get you from a blank page to a finished email without all the bells and whistles. You don't have to worry about properly formatting columns or dealing with complex layouts. Just focus on writing with access to the right tools only when you need them. Let's take a look at how it works. Head over to Campaigns and then hit Create Campaign. From there, choose your campaign type. We're going to go with regular for this tutorial. Pick Start from Scratch, and then select Simple Editor. Now, once the editor loads, you can, of course, start typing right away. But when you need to add something beyond just text, there are a couple of options. You can hit the plus symbol on the left of the text area, or type a / to bring up a menu of all of your options. From top to bottom, we've got your standard text along with formatting for H1, 2, and 3, bulleted or numbered lists, block quotes, and elements like dividers, variables, or personalizations, images, and buttons. So, if you are a keyboard first person, then you're probably going to love this editor. All right, to add an image, let's go ahead and hit that plus button, or again, use the /. Then we're going to go down and choose Image under Elements. And then it'll drop a placeholder right into your email. From there, you can upload directly from your device or pull from your file manager or paste in a URL. The same is true for variables. So let's go ahead and bring up the options again. Then we're going to scroll down and then choose variable. And then you can pick what variable you'd like to use. The most common one is probably to use their name, but again, you've got options for whichever customizations or personalizations that you have added. We're going to go with name for now. And quick reminder, variables are how you personalize your email for your subscribers. So this lets you add things again, like their name, their email address, or any other custom field that you've got set up. And if you want a quick primer on how to use personalizations, check out this video here. Now, on the left side of every element, you might have noticed this little drag handle. Clicking it will give you options to duplicate, copy, move, or delete. You can also turn the text into H1, H2, or any other text formatting options as well. So again, if you want to shuffle or move things around or reuse a section, just know that your options are on the left of any element. Now, over on the left panel, you've got Style Settings. This is where you set your font family, background color, and typography. If you've already set up your brand settings in your account, then a lot of this stuff is going to autofill. Also, if you've been sending emails for a while now, then you know that every email that you send needs to have an unsubscribe link. To make sure that your footer is displaying correctly, you can go to the settings in the left sidebar and toggle on Show Footer in the editor. You can also show or hide the footer when inside of an element with this button right over here. Now, back over in the settings, if you want to add social links, you can do so right over here. And then you can add whichever social links that you would like to add to your emails. Then if you scroll, you can see we have many more options available as well. Alrighty, and then once you've finished with your design, you're able to preview and test it like with all of our other editors. And you can see what it looks like in mobile as well. If you like the design, you're also able to save it as a template. And then if you have a previous version, if you've been editing, then you can go back to a previous version with this button over here, or undo any changes that you've made with this undo button. Once you're done, hit next, and then go ahead and finish out campaign details and send. We tried to keep it simple with the Simple Editor. If writing is the focus, this is a great option for you. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and if you want more MailerLite tips, remember to like and subscribe for the best content in email marketing. I'll see you in the next one.